Alright folks, how y'all doing? It's Saturday night and this is fun with hot sauce. I'm gonna do a little fun thing. Give me some wings from Quaker Steak and Lube. There will be no more Walmart wings. Like eating that garbage again, my life depends on it. Only reason I've got rubber gloves on, I got some paper cuts on my freaking hands. I really don't want hot sauce in there. So what we're going to do, right, the top of my head's cut off, nothing I can do about it. On a bigger table, get 4 wings. I actually just got their, I think it's their mild ones, because, you know, just because. So we're going to start with a little bit of the Flame of Thrones. And their wings are weird looking. These mild ones, I don't know if it's a cheese sauce or what the heck that is. But whatever. A little bit of that. Flame of Thrones. You can actually find that. You gotta get it. It's actually really good. And a little Arizona Reaper. I'm not going to be opening the other bottles I just purchased real soon. Quite frankly, I need to thin out the herd of what I got. Because I got a bunch open, and they're all at the halfway point, give or take. Taking up a hell of a lot of room. Yeah. You can see a big clump like that. That'll work. And we'll eat some wings. Spice these little sunbucks up. I was going to they're supercharged. I thought, you know what? I like them just the way they are. I really don't want to mess with them. Yeah, their sauce is weird. Alrighty then. I don't know if that's in the way or not, but there they are. Oh. This bag I set over here, I'll throw the bones in it. It's basically just the trash. Alright. Round 1. Oh, they got good wings. They're overpriced now. These are not as hot as I thought it'd be. This is a challenge and it ain't hot. Shame on me. That looks better. What do you think? Look a little better? I think it looks a little better. So you just have to dump them on the floor. Alright. Let's make it a challenge. Alright, there's a heat, finally. Yeah, I'm doing this. So like this every Saturday. Just keep upping the ante. I actually bought some of those noodles I had a few weeks ago. Move something with it. Let's see how stupid I can get with it. You may see an epic fail. It comes with the territory, you know. Yeah, I couldn't even imagine what this feels like if this sauce and paper cuts. Hey, it's a challenge. Ooh, yeah. Oh, there we go. There's a good one. Yeah, I'm still trying to find those world's hottest corn chips. They always seem to be sold out. Except when I'm not looking for them, apparently. Someday we'll get them. Whew. They definitely warmed this one up. Let's warm it up more. Didn't make it a challenge for nothing, right? Right. Oh. I was going to do 6, but I was a little hungrier than I thought I was earlier. So, only 4 survived. Yeah, well, such is life. Maybe, just maybe, I'll get some of theirs with that triple atomics. Like, shoo, like half a dozen of them. Play with it, see what we get. But the thing is, they messed with the flavor on there. They jacked up the heat, which is fine, but killed the flavor for the most part. Whew. I'm disappointed that they messed messed with their wings like that. But I guess there's corporate things, jack the heat up. You don't have to give out too many t-shirts, I'm guessing. I don't know. I just know I think they ruined this up perfectly good wing and jacked it up into some whatever. But at least they didn't mess with the supercharged. It's actually my favorite wing. Whew. Yeah. Well, who came up with this idea of doing these Saturday puns with hot sauce bits? That'd be smacked. Whew. Hope my nose ain't running. Whew. Dang. Whew. Yeah. That was actually darn good. Great combination there. And whatever weird sauces they had on there. Alright, folks. Get that ready and throw it out. But yeah. Well, I'll clear your sinuses up right now. That's for sure. I think the next one I do open them, I think the next one I'm going to try is, oh, excuse me, Pure Hell. No, wait. Yeah. Pure Hell. That'll be the next one when I do open them. Right now, like I said, thin out the herd on what I've got ready to open. And well, last a couple more days. Maybe. We'll see. All right, people. Thank you. I appreciate y'all stopping by. And we'll catch you all later.